So I really like this one.
Yeah, Renee, you know, it's funny. You've had a 15 for years. I know the family footprint has changed and stuff, but this is the 21-foot dual temperature, the largest dual temperature swim spa of its kind that anybody makes.
So
It's
when
by
you say
MasterSpas.
dual temperature, that means this could be one temperature and that side is a different one?
That's correct. What you're looking at right here, Renee, is a full 5-person hot tub with 2 6-horsepower pumps. You want to get in and try it? You feel good about that?
Let me sit in here and swing my legs over.
You got it.
And let's see.
Oh, good job.
Okay. Oh, okay. I like that.
So when you get down there, you can kind of slide your tush right across.
Right here?
Right?
In this section?
No, I'm going to have you come over here.
Okay.
I'm going to have you come sit right there and slide right down there and get cozy.
And get cozy in this section. Oh, yeah. Okay.
And now put your legs up there.
Oh, okay.
And put your head back up here, darling.
Oh.
There you go. And you get your feet massaged
nice.
right there. You can get up to 200 gallons a minute right here on your feet with the massage. And then if you look over there, see underneath that step right there? That's an LED pool lamp right there as well.
Oh, this one right here? Okay, that's the light.
Yes, that's correct. This is your waterfall. And then we have the largest impellers, and these are air injected. So many years ago, they used to make swim spas and hot tubs when they first came out, not MasterSpas, but a lot of manufacturers would put blowers in there and they would blow a bunch of air, but it just cooled the water off.
Okay.
MasterSpas, well, you know, you have a Trainer 15.
Right.
And the idea would be to be able to have all the flow of the water and keep the temperature where you want it. And you were just saying you like it in the low 80s in the summertime. And the wintertime, what do? Just put it in the rest position during the summer and then increase the heat in the winter?
Yes.
There you go.
Yes, we do.
So then if you reach down there, you got a foot massager for everybody else. This is a true 5-person hot tub.
Oh, nice.
And you got your soft treads on the back. And then does this look familiar to you? This is the new design on the neck and shoulder therapy.
Yeah, I see that. Okay.
Right here. So this has your neckline right there. You can sit over there and see if you like it.
Oh, so that's a different one than this side. Okay.
Right. This is your neck and shoulder therapy.
Oh.
So you'll find a lot of similarities, Renee, but this is the upgraded 2025 version. Just slide your head right in there.
Okay.
There you go. And now you can put your feet right there on the foot massager.
And this is the foot massage?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't have that in the 15.
No, we don't.
Right.
We
and then
do
your
not.
filters are over there.
Okay.
And then there's new topside controls right there. This one right here is you just dial it up. They're like BMW inspired controls where you touch and turn. Your filters are here. Same filters you have right now with the EcoCharge system and the copper zinc core. Difference here is you have a bar top. Now you got a separate set of controls over at the swim spa.
Okay.
Would you like to look at the swim spa?
Yes.
Let's do it.
I would love it.
So right there, you're going to have a no slip tread on your feet right now. And also when you step up there, you'll be able to see real quickly that you can go from the hot tub to the swim spa.
Now this is nice. So you can step up here.
Right, and then you can kind of slide your tush right in there.
Slide your tush in here.
There you go.
Go here.
And you see these? These are headrests. You have a headrest behind you too.
Okay.
You can go ahead and lay down if you want.
So you can lay down.
Yeah, you can lay down. And then underneath your tush is bubblers.
Ah.
And they're all backlit. So you can stretch your feet out too if you'd like. How's that feel?
Oh, okay. And so it's water, it's bubblers and
There's
stuff.
water moving underneath your body, and I can control that right here from this diverter right here with my left hand on the control panel and right hand there. And now swing your legs down there. And if you notice right now, you've got LED lighting.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have you transition, Ray, right now from the splash pad.
Okay.
Now go ahead and use your handle right there, and that's a step, but also a functional seat.
Okay, I'm a step like this.
That's right.
Because,
now if you want to, there you go. Do whatever you feel comfortable.
I'm a step like this, okay.
There you go.
And then come in.
And then right down in there.
Okay, now I'm in the spa.
And how tall are you?
5'2".
See, you're 5'2", and it's very deceiving because unless you've been around them before, but unless people have actually not seen a swim spa, at first they're intimidated by the possible depth of it. But as you know, it's around 4 feet.
Oh yeah.
Right in the water line.
Is up. Yeah,
and now you've got a new set of filters on each side.
Oh, each side. Okay.
Each side, 2 EcoCharges, 2 more bar placements on the top for your cold drinks. And then if you notice something up front here, as you get to the propulsion jets, see the new soft tread design by your feet?
Oh, okay.
All right. Now, do you use this bar right now for some
I
exercise?
do for the swimming part.
For the swimming part, okay. I want you to come up here and realize that we have now put seats in the front end.
Yeah, there's no seats. Okay, there's definitely no seats.
That's
it's
worth
just
the
a bar.
that's worth the upgrade by itself, right?
Just a bar. Yes.
So go ahead and
it
turn
is.
around and sit down right there.
Okay. Okay.
There you go. How's that feel?
Nice. So this is an extra spot for somebody to sit down.
So this is a 21 footer.
Okay.
And by the time we would do a trade up and train in, program with MasterSpas with friends and family, you're going to realize a very, very great discount. But if not, this itself is going to do more things than the 15 footer would do for the self.
I like it in two separate temperatures because in mine, it all has to be the same temperature.
Right.
I like the fact that could be a little warmer than this one.
Yeah, well,
because when you're swimming, you want to be a little bit cooler than when you're actually sitting in the spa and enjoying the spa.
Right, and then come winter time, you can, when you're in the throes of winter,
Right.
you could actually have this at the temperature that you would want to exercise in swim spa, use it all year round, but also keep the hot tub at that warmer temperature that you like without
nice.
heating two different areas, because what happens is this swim spa is a dual temperature zone, which means it has a 50 amp breaker for power on the hot tub side and a separate one over here.
Oh, okay.
Two separate sets of
Two separate
controls,
breakers.
and it's
Okay.
all app driven now.
Okay.
So, but that's awesome. So we'll sit down and see what we can do for you. I'm glad you like it.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations. This will include cover, stairs, delivery, startup chemical kit, and everything else you need to get started. We're going to do a wet orientation.
Okay.
So as you're transitioning from that 15 footer to the new 21 footer,
Yes.
we're going to actually help you learn how to use it. The wet test, the wet orientation is going to be part of your process, and we should have it delivered to your home in about the next 4 weeks.
Okay. Sounds
Congratulations.
good. Thank you.
Renee, you were awesome.
Thank you.
Good job.
All right.